Hello, good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you GK. Topic is pet animals. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay? Pet animals. CAMEL camel, CAMEL camel, DUCK duck, HORS horse, BUFFAL buffalo, CAT cat, GOAT goat, DONKEY donkey, DOG dog, OX ox, COW cow, SHWP sheep, PIG pig. ये सब पेट एनिमल्स में अपन शो के लिए भी कुछ एनिमल्स को रखते हैं. कैट, डॉग सब, डक सब उसी में भी जाएगा. फिर सम एनिमल्स आर वी आर कीपिंग इन द फार्म ऑल्सो. दिस ऑल टुगेदर we will call pet animals. Again, pet animals: camel, duck, horse, buffalo, cat, goat, donkey, dog, ox, cow, sheep, pig. Okay. Now answer time. Name the animal which gives us milk. Cow, we are getting milk. Goat also giving milk. Buffalo also is giving milk. Camel also will get giving milk. Then you can write here cow, buffalo, goat, like this. Next question. Who looks after our house at night? अपने घर कौन संभालते हैं? डॉग संभालते हैं. DOG dog. Number 3. Name the animals which gives us wool. Sheep. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. Wool से we have so many things we can make. Winter season में we are using sweater, shawl, सब socks, ये सब वूल से बनाते हैं. Okay. Things to remember. Pet animals also need love and affection like human beings. अपने जैसे pet animal भी अपना प्यार चाहिए. अपन उन लोगों को प्यार से रखना चाहिए. They are helpful friends. लोग अपना फ्रेंड से अपन को हेल्प करते हैं. We should keep them with proper care. उन लोगों को अच्छा केयर में अच्छा खाना खिला के रखना चाहिए. अच्छा प्यार भी देना है. Okay. Learn pet animals. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.